He's baking cookies. Try it on a sip. 3, 2, 1. Action. We're baking chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah!
You can eat it with me this time.
Oh yeah!
Cooking with Kane and
Chef Luigi!
You dump it in?
Yes, dump it in! Yes, that is going to be great! Cookies!
In the butter?
Yes, a stick of butter. Okay, now we have a tablespoon of water. Where is the water? There it is, very good. And last, I'm scared, but we have an egg to crack. Let's see if Kane can do it.
How we do it?
You got to crack it a little bit harder. A little bit harder. There you go, it's opening. Ah! We might have to scoop it up.
Chef Luigi, I told you.
What did you tell me that you are messy boy? I knew that.
I did it.
Kangaroo, you are a messy boy.
Sorry, Chef Luigi. Sorry.
It's okay, it's just the egg. We put it in, it's no problem. We just scoop it in. We got handy helper over here scooping it in for us.
Oh, some of them went down on the floor.
Oh well, that's the price we pay to cook. Cooking with Kane and Chef Luigi. Yeah. Okay, now we got to stir the mix. Very good. Stir, stir, stir. Kane is stirring. Yeah. Kane took off his mustache. It's very hard to stir, so Kane is going to mush it with his hands. Once he's done eating the cookie dough and getting sick. Kane, what are you doing? There won't be enough cookies. Okay, mush it with your hands. Get it all nice and mushy.
Get it all mushy, mushy.
Mushy, mushy cookies and mushy.
Cutting, little mushy cuttings, little mushy toasters, little mushy cuttings.
Ah! You're eating it again!
Yes.
I'm going to get sick! That's raw cookie dough! And he doesn't care. He's making the cookies into balls so when they cook they get flat in the yummy cookies! Ah!
Why is it that, Chef?
They taste so good! They're going to even be better when they're cooked!
But why did you eat it?
Why did you eat some?
Ah! I mean, I just love it.
Oh, well, me too! I love cookies! Chocolate chip cookies! That one right there is going to be super big! What kind of cookies are going to be, Kim? A big cookie? That's going to be my cookie!
No, mine! My cookie.
My cookie.
My cookie.
Mine.
Mine.
Can we share?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's good.
We turned our oven on and we need to put heat in the oven the wheel back.
Yes, we're going to cook it at 350. It's time to put it in the oven.
Yay!
In the oven it goes.
Don't eat the dough.
Yes, we don't want to keep it in the dough. We want to eat the cookies.
Can I eat right now?
They got to cook. What are you doing?
Eating the dough. Just me.
Ah!
No.
Give me that spoon. He can see me. Ah!
Cookies are out in the oven.
Did you already eat one?
Mmm.
Nom nom nom.
It's really good.
I love the chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip.
Cookies. Yes, you did a cookie in your mouth and dance.
Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da.
Ah!
Do 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 da 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 da.
What hope what have right here? Ah!
Helping hands. It's still like a cookie.
He doesn't cookie.
Ah!
It's the box. It's missing.
Oh no!
Oh no! Cooking the Kane and Chef Luigi.
Bye bye, kids.
Bye bye. I know. Chef Luigi. You are Chef Luigi. Nom nom nom. Yeah yeah yeah.
Hello. Spin them around. Show everybody your delicious cookies. Oh no! The cookies are going flying. Hey, who's going to clean this mess up? You? Yes, it's going to be you.
I don't know.
Thank you for watching our show. Hey parents, do you want Kane's cool chef outfit for your kids? Or me, the Chef Luigi puppet? Look down below in the description box and you'll find the links. Okay, bye bye kids.
Bye.